Hello, my name is Vladimir Kaplan, and I'm with Burkett's Pool Plastering and Remodeling. So a lot of time I get to ask questions from the folks, hey, listen, what does it look like? What my pool will look like? That's the reason why I put together this video, so you can see the entire process, how swimming pool gets remodeled, and what's the end results might be, so you can set up your proper expectations there. All right, well, without any further ado, please, let's take a look at the next project. For those who ever consider of installing a pavers on top of the existing cantilever deck, clearly this is a bad idea. It looks bad, unfinished, and imagine getting out of the pool. These few extra inches might be a huge problem. And forget about sitting on that edge, it's so rough that it will tear your bathing suit for sure. So we will demo all of this out. So we're gonna go check out this Progress paver company. Seems like already set up their materials. Let's go take a look. We have this fancy barrier that the homeowner always keeps it up next to the swimming pool. Their large dog sees it and doesn't want to get inside. That's pretty cool. So right here is the bond wire, and your swimming pool have to be bonded in a minimum of 4 places. So we've got 1, 2, okay, go, there's your new skimmer here, and we make sure we check on the pressure gauge. Yes, holds the pressure. That's how we left it. There is our number 3, and you can see the close-up. That's the clamp, okay, and number 4 is right here. So everything as expected right now, okay. There is a split main drain of the pool, looking good. So the next step would be masonry to come back and install the coping and the tile. On this job we're gonna have a travertine threads 12 by 24 and 12 by 4 to compensate for the radius here. All right, welcome to another day for the Pool Remodeler's Life. So today we're going to be checking out on the progress here for the masonry installation, okay? So today we're going a tile coping install. Let's go take a look. That's it. This is the barrier that keeps them out, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't want them jumping down here.
So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have any concerns, please comment below. Please like, and we really appreciate your support. If you subscribe, thank you, and have a wonderful day.